Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Word and Google Docs 0 to 100. Today we're going to be talking about sort. Now, what is sort? So sort is just a mechanic or feature that is allowed to sort anything based off of whatever feature or whatever organization you want. So it can be based off of dates, numbers, or it can be based off of letters. So to put in, let's get right into it. So if I wanted to sort this, for example, like if I want to sort these paragraphs, right? And let's say I want it in alphabetic order. First, I have to hit all the text, go to the button which is in between the indent and then the paragraph button, click on it. So now it's going to say sort by what? So then first I want to do sort by text, and it's going to organize it by letters. So if I hit OK, so now since D starts before L, it's organized by text. So D will go first, then L, then N, and then that's it. But it's then sorted by text. Now, if I had a subcategory that I wanted to do organized by, I can do that. But right now, since there's only basically like paragraphs, if it was something a little bit more detailed, and I wanted to sort by it, like especially if I have subcategories in the category and I want to organize it by them, they gave me the option to organize such and such. So this is basically will help, especially when in terms of like tables and stuff like that. And I'll get to how to create a table soon because we're starting to finish up the home section. But anyways, once we get to the table part, I'll come back so that we can go into detail about how to sort. But this is just basically how to sort. So if I want to sort paragraphs, and I can sort by text, number, or date, depending on what it is. And I can do in descending order, which would basically do the opposite. And as you see, it flipped over. So N was started, then L, then D. Okay, so now we have Google Docs. So if we are trying to sort by alphabetical order, Google Docs do not have a function built in to help us sort things out, like sort things by alphabetically, date, or number, like Microsoft Word. So to give credit where credit is due, I looked up how to sort a list alphabetically, and it was through Add New Skills that I was able to figure out how to do it. So in order for you to do it, you will go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Then you'll type in Doc Tools, and you'll click this one by Albits. Click on it, then install. Hit continue. Then it's going to tell you to hit want to access your account. Hit allow. Alright, so it's been installed. So it's done. So now I'll go to Extensions, Add-ons, and then View Document Add-ons, and then I can hit the Doc Tools, which will allow me to use. And then I can say to sort things off of the selection of ascending. So if I wanted to highlight this, and then I will hit Use, and I'll say Sort by Ascension. Now it's the same thing as Microsoft Word. I was able to organize this by alphabetical order ascending, so D to L to N. And then if I do vice versa and I want to do descending, then I can change it and it'll go from N to L to D. Okay? And for future videos, if you're trying to do an add-on, you can just click on the Get Add-ons, which is right here next to it. I just did it from the extension so that you know exactly like how I got there. Also, I didn't have to hit extensions to get to that spot. I can always just hit extensions and then click on this, which is the same thing as going to the actual pulling it up, and then it will tell me, it will give me the different options right here. Okay. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something new, and I'll catch you next time. Hey there.